And staying in Europe, migration has been a hot topic in Germany for years now, with the country opening its borders to accept more refugees during the chancellorship of Angela Merkel. But ever since, protests against migration have only grown. They've strengthened the extreme right and mostly based on the idea that migrants bring financial hardship for Germany. Lars Holter is with Deutsche Welle and he joins me from Berlin. Lars, a new study has looked into the economic impact of migration. What can you tell us?
Thanks for having me. Well, there are some interesting findings there. Contrary to what an ever-growing number of Germans might have feared, it seems migration is actually strengthening the German economy and budget. The study was done by noted economist Martin Werding, who is a member of the Council of Economic Experts that are advising the German government. And Werding says, to put this in one headline and not too many numbers, if Germany welcomed 200,000 more migrants every year than we do right now, it would save us an annual 104 billion euros. That means every migrant that comes to Germany, most of them are actually looking for jobs, looking for a safe but also productive life, is literally worth a couple of thousand euros. Now, that is a reality that absolutely clashes with the perception held by many people that the government is just shelling out money and to support migrants that we can no longer afford.
But what about the cost of migration? Does that eat up some of the economic benefits?
Yes, there's obviously a cost to migration too. The government is paying for migrants' housing, for their health care, for language classes, for other measures to help with integration. There's also the need for more daycare and schools. But, says the experts, it's not only migrants that cost the government money. In fact, many people, migrants and regular citizens, have a negative fiscal balance over their lifetime. Many take more from the government than they put in. This phenomenon has been growing as people get older, as they receive retirement for more years than, let's say, a few decades ago. Also, economist Werding says we're spending too much on welfare programs that support not only migrants but regular Germans too. So the economist is saying that the government should certainly lower spending, but that doesn't have to happen with regards to migrants only, but much more generally. At the same time, he's saying we have to do a better job to attract migrants and get them into jobs as quickly as possible. Right now, there are bureaucratic hurdles that are frustrating migrants and actually have a negative financial impact on the country. And these bureaucratic hurdles, they need to fall.
Lars, thank you. Lars Holter reporting there from Berlin.